Hey everyone, I'm Puja. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have this red and lilac eye makeup. So first up, I have already done my base. So I'll start with my eyes. I'm using this Revolution palette, and I'll just put the name in my description box. So first off, I'm taking this red shade, which is very red by the way. So I'm just blending it out with a big fluffy brush. And then after blending the shade, I'm picking up this lilac plus, or you can say lavender shimmer shade, and I'm placing it all over my lid, and I'm just first blending it with the help of my finger. After that, I am picking a pinkish shade from the palette. I'm highlighting my inner corner, brow bone, bridge of the nose, and then I'm taking a brown shade and putting it on my lower lash line to pull the look together. And this is the final finish look. So this is the makeup look. I used a orange, or you can say pinkish lipstick, and I've used Maybelline Hypercurl mascara along with some falsies, and this is it. This is the look. To let me know how you like the video, and share your thoughts on the comment section. Do like, share and comment. Till next video, bye bye. See you later.